Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm just check out my white silver hair. I have two streaks. Used to be when I had my hair done a different way. It went right here and it went back. But once I cut it all off, now it's got the swoop. So where people say, "Oh, is your hair highlighted?" No, this is natural. That is not highlighting. I earned those two stripes. I have two wonderful daughters who gave me this. So, hello, I'm Reed. This is Reed's Beauty Trip. That was a tangent. And if you're used to me doing tangents, you've watched a few of my videos. So we are doing my Pure. And this is not the Raw Beauty Christy one. I did not buy it. I'm waiting for it to all just kind of slow down. A lot of my friends got it, so I kind of live vicariously through them. But I purchased two of the mystery bags from Pure. So, we're going to get right into this. We're going to have a little bit of fun. So the first one we are going to open is the Pure Value Mystery Bag. So I want to see what Pure kind of does with their mystery bags. I mean, I've watched people do Tarte, I've watched people do Jeffree Star, so I kind of want to see what Pure does. So this is their value bag. So the first thing I am pulling out is a eyelash curler. That's gonna have to go in do a giveaway or something because I don't do eyelash curlers. There's a lot in this bag, people. Woo! The next thing I have in this bag, I mean, there's a lot. I mean, is. The next thing I have is the Pure On Point lip liner in see-through, so I'm assuming it's a clear one. Which I don't have any lipstick on. Oh, I'm totally dropping the ball here. Yes, it is a clear one. So, I have like 3 or 4 clear ones, so I might set this one to the side. It may go in a goodie bag here. Hold on. We need some... No, not that color. Oh, yes. Oh, I love this one. Okay, talk about white. This is the L'Oreal Lychee Plump. Lychee Plump. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. I like that one. Okay, so next, Out of the Blue Light Defense Light Up High Shine Lip Gloss in Goals. Someone just left me a message. What is this? Oh, this is... Look! Oh, Renee, look! It lights... Oh my gosh. My friend Renee has the palette. You light up my life. Okay, that's fun. I have to... Yeah, I opened it, so that's mine. But that one is called Goals. Then the next one we're pulling out is the Chrome Glaze High Shine Lip Gloss. You know, and these are colors I would wear. So, I mean, sometimes you get them and you're like, really? Smarty pants. So it's a nice gloss. This looks like one of my Anastasia ones. Stripped? Is it stripped? Maybe. Let's just say it one more time. Stripped? The next thing we have is a blush. Pure Minerals Blush. This one is in Tease. It is a pink. I just got this one in like kimchi one, so I don't know. This might... I have over 100 blushes, guys. But I'm excited. Join the conversation. Facebook, Pure Minerals. Get a pure or gorgeous age-defying glow with Pure Mineral color formulated with the rarest resveratrol harvested from... Oh, it's a wine. So it's chemicals or stuff from wine. Bordeaux. Next guy is the Precious Metals Oil. Shimmering Dry Oil Elixir. It's got some, I mean, their packaging, that silver reflective packaging. Hello, baby. And it does, look at that. Ooh, it's got some sparkle. Okay, now we're getting the big piece out here. Oh, that's just funny. Guess what's going in a giveaway? The My Little Pony palette. So I would like to point out, the reason I bought my Pure stuff is the My Little Pony palette. So now I have 2. Giveaway time! Giveaway time! Okay, so that was the value one. Okay. So the other one I got was the deluxe mystery bag. This is bigger. It doesn't have the pulley thing like, oh, there it is. I was like, where's the pulley thing? Come on, make my life easy here. Another eyelash. They really like the eyelash curlers. Too bad I don't. Then we have, ooh, stippling brush. Liquid chisel brush. So, large flathead brush for very soft bristles for liquid complexion products. You know, I can never say no to brushes. I can to eyelash curlers, but brushes, no, 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 no. Fine, don't let me open you. Then the next one we have is, oh yeah, this is the brush. This is the brush bag. So this is the Skin Perfecting Concealer Brush. So it's one of the flat ones, so you can, especially when you really want to like conceal a lot. There you go. Sorry, I sound evil. And this is the Skin Perfecting Foundation Brush. Now, I don't actually mind these so much. I had the Real Tech, was it the Real Technique ones I had? No, there was another brand that I had, and I really liked them, and I actually really, I snapped the handle. So this will be nice. I know, my friend Jessica, this is not the one you want me to get, so I'll probably end up getting the one you want me to get, but there. Then I need to show this to another friend. So this is a brow brush. Now, a lot of times I use this for my cake liners. I love this for cake liners. I was like, so help me. And then we got a palette that I already have too, but that's alright. More for love for my viewers. Why is it poofy in the back? Oh, the spongy thing. Okay, so the Pure Festival, the original Pure Festival, which I did love. 2.0, I've not been hearing great things about 2.0, but I did love, this is 1.0 I guess, but I do love my 1.0, so I do love it. It's like all the neutrals and the metallics and then those 2 pop of colors. So, you know, where you can really bring in a sunrise or a sunset look with those nudes and stuff like that. So this is not too bad. Okay, and then like I said, the other one was my Little Pony one. So hold on, let's open the one that's my Little Pony. Because I would have broke the seal on mine. Oh, of course these don't have seals. Oh, this one. Yep, I opened this one. I don't want to open the one that's for the other people. So we got the My Little Pony. So they do have like all the things on the back, which I do like that Pure does that, but they like their hollow. And then of course you've got Fluttershy. And then this is the palette. Yes, if you know me, I am a big themed palette lover. Some people thought I was going to say nerd, but I didn't. So, yes. Whoop, whoop, ba-doop, boop, boo, ba-doop, boop, boo. Loving it, loving it. Okay. So I have some really cool stuff that's going to be in giveaways. And I don't think, actually, okay, if you guys, especially if you're needing, definitely look into the Pure Value bag. That one has so many fun stuff. I'm loving this. I really, literally, I'm going to go show a friend of mine. And I know I'm hoping it'll make her laugh. But thank you, everybody, for checking out my video. Check out Pure. They've got some fun stuff. The Raw Beauty Christy palette, which some of my friends have, and they absolutely love it. And some of the looks, like some of my friends have done, oh my gosh, they look fantastic on there. So I am loving it. Loving it. So everyone have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.